you want. I don't care about before. I don't wanna know your secrets. I wanna help you keep yours. No one needs it. No one will ever know what we do. Where we go, why don't we go to a place where only we go? Where we escape from real life, but it feels good, and it feels nice. We ain't yet, but we still might, 'cause we go with it if it feels right, and it feels amazing. We ain't ready to see the day. Let go of fear, this can be a secret that we both keep, that we both share. Hidden behind the smiles we both wear. As the sun creeps through the curtains, on the walls we become two silhouettes. As we close our eyes, let go of the lies that fill our heads. Let's light it up, live life in the moment. Why would we worry about where we might end up? They can't see us, they can't judge us, it's just us.